Canine Training of Maine. Today with me I have Albie. Albie is a 1-year-old golden retriever, and he's here for our Freedom Board and Train program. Over the next week, we're going to work on things like his greeting manners, jumping on people. He gets really excited. He gets really excited when he sees dogs. We'll pull him on leash. And then just giving him a reliable recall and teaching him his foundation in come, sit, place, and down, and making sure that he is reliable in all those positions and understands that he needs to stay until released. So we're going to start off and see what he knows, and we're going to go from there. Albie, come, good boy. Oh, big man's. Hi, bud. Albie, sit. Good. Albie, down. Good boy. Little wiggly. Down. Good. Albie, place. Good boy. Oh, you coming up for a hug? Good boy. All your jumping's getting you tangled. Albie, come, good boy. Oof. Albie, sit. Good. Down. You're so good. Albie, place. Good. Albie, come. Good boy. All right. So it looks like we have a great foundation to start with. Albie understands recall. He knows sit and down. He's a little wiggly in the down. Doesn't know how to quite just stay in one spot. He kind of wants to twist and get his belly rubbed, but we'll definitely be able to work with that. Place. As far as I know, he doesn't know that command, but he's more than confident to go on there. And we just have to teach him to stay on there when requested, and that it's a good, safe space with all his commands. Check back in a week, and we're going to have this boy off leash in no time. Cheers, guys.